I met Mirella in Sururik a few months ago. I went there just because I saw an ad on Instagram, but there was already something that felt very powerful from that ad, so I attended to an event there. And even before the event started, I felt there was a very beautiful, powerful energy there. Then, of course, the event was fantastic, and something that I wouldn't usually do, I did that day, which is right on the spot. I asked to have a session with Mirella the same day, and she was so available and so kind that she gave me that session the same day, even if it was late. So after the session I had with Mirella, it opened my eyes in different ways, and I realized that there was more of the path I needed to follow, and she could be a great guidance. And I started to already see things I needed to apply in my business. So it made sense to also come to London and have this amazing day in the studio training. And again, it's something I usually wouldn't do, but it felt right, and the energy of the events and what Mirella is doing gave me the trust and the impulse to decide to do this as well. I have been now 3 days in London, each day full with amazing events. It's been really fabulous, and Mirella has been very generous, inviting me to other events. And since day one, the energy, the people, the inspiration, the contacts you make there is just really incredible. So I would absolutely advise people to give themselves a chance and try at least to go to an event, and then from there to go on. I mean, there are so many possibilities. There's a beautiful community wherever you go, because I saw that in Zurich. I see here in London is the same. And there's also a platform. Now she has an app, so there's plenty where you can learn. Mirella was coaching us to prepare the script and make a speech, and I have to say she was very understanding, and she gave very good advice on the spot. So in a very practical yet direct way, she guided us on how to give a better speech. I told her my story, she caught the idea, and we were talking together of how I could deliver my message and present myself, and she gave me very good feedback about it. The first public speech I did was yesterday, and to be honest, I was very nervous. However, the environment in Global Woman is very supportive, very beautiful, and Mirella was again guiding me on how to best speak, how to best present what I wanted to say. And at the end, I had a lot of people saying that it was great. They were congratulating me, and I didn't expect that. I just believe that when you really start believing more in what you're doing and you have the right training, the right community, magic can happen.